Talofa lava once again, family and friends. Toe fa talofa atu I le mamalo Samoa ua maua mai tatou ata I le nei yafi fa talofa atu ma fa feilo yatu I le paia lasi Samoa ia o tou paia fa le atu nuu fa le malo o le ale o iai se leo ona le ngā fa tauli mai na se au ona vai ai Paulea na o whaafelo iatu, ma o toe o folo fatu, I le mamalu o mwhai on whatasimai. Welcome once again to everyone watching Le Mea-Uli Samoa this evening. This is our second session, or our history session, where we'll be talking about the treaty signed by Samoa and Hawaii. What is this treaty? You see, King Kalakaua was starting to notice something happening not only here in his homeland, his home island, but also throughout all the Pacific. What was happening? The white man was starting to influence everything that we're doing. In particular, he noticed in Samoa there were three powers: Germany, Great Britain, and the United States of America. And so to help the kingdom of Polynesia, or this kingdom of Oceania, stand sovereign, he sent an envoy out to Samoa and appointed him High Commissioner so that he could speak to the chiefs and or rulers of each Pacific island. Wa amatau na ilo atu le tupu Hawai'i le fionga ia Kalakaua. Wa amatau na tangia mai se tulanga le manuia, le tulanga. Wa malosi ia le sao po le hu nai papalangi. I tangata le atu Pasifika po le atu Polinsia. O le na aveila na aveai ma tau mawhai ina ia tu fatasia ia Polinsia atua. Ia awa nei pulea e se tangata e to tasi po se malo ese mai I malo Polinsia. Tau sangala tasi la fe valus fum leono 1886 he sent a commissioner out and their first party, or the first nation that they wanted to connect with, was Samoa. And the envoy was sent out in 1886, December of 86, and in February, the 16th of February, 1887, the treaty was signed by Malia Tolaupepa. What is the meaning of this treaty? This treaty meant that these islands, or these people, had a government. They were self-reliant, self-governing, and they had the capabilities to do it. Now the question is, why was that treaty not honored? Why was the decision made by our people, Samoans, Hawaiians, Polynesians, why was it not respected? When we wanted to run our own government, why was it not accepted? Some agreements were made. Even Tonga was reluctant, but they ended up agreeing with this condition, that the parliament, similar to the Westminster Parliament, would be held in Nuku'alofa. That was the condition. And when it was agreed upon, Tonga joined the Kingdom of Polynesia. Tonight, during our Kemi Chill, I will be going over some questions you had from earlier in our live, and also any questions you may have pertaining to this treaty signed. I will also go in depth on why it may not have been accepted, my opinion, and my idea of Samoa being one. So if you want to understand more, please tune in tonight during our Kemi Chill where we discuss why it was not honored and who signed it, and did that person have the authority to sign it. You folks have a blessed evening, and like I always say, God bless, stay blessed, and may peace be with you. Soifua maia manuia.